Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. And this is one of my SneakerCon Atlanta pickups. Urban Necessity shirt signed by 2J's Kicks. You know, I chopped it up with him a little bit, man. Real cool, real humble dude. I know I didn't talk about the stuff that I picked up at SneakerCon Atlanta because it wasn't no shoes. It was just like two shirts. It was the Young Forever shirt and this shirt right here. And I was just doing a whole bunch of talking around with people. But anyways, man, before we get into this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And this has been sitting at Walgreens for a couple days now. Oh no, this has been sitting longer than a couple days. This has been sitting a long time. So I should have been had this review out, but I end up hitting three raffles on this shoe. I end up hitting 3 raffles. I picked up one. Didn't want to go all the way up to I think it's a Woodfield Mall. It's in Schaumburg where they had SneakerCon in Chicago. I didn't want to drive all the way out there for these shoes. And then I hit again at Finish Line on these shoes. And I didn't get off work till like 6:30 at night. So by the time I got off work, my pair probably was already gone anyway. So enough talking. And this is where I hit for the shoe. It's called, I think it's called A Place. Unless they pronounce it different, then it's called A Place. But that's why I hit for the shoes at. Won that raffle. And they quadruple tape this motherfucker all the way around. Every time you win something overseas, they always send this extra big ass huge box. Like every single time. Like the shoe size the shoe box be like this, and then the box they send it in be like that. Look at that spacing in this box. Oh shit. Hold up. Here go the receipt. There go the receipt, and they send you a booklet. I don't know if they send this with every purchase or because I'm overseas and I'm probably not up to date with what goes on and at the store, because this was an overseas raffle. I think they based in Europe, I want to say. So yeah, this is basically like just a flip of the stuff they have in, and so there y'all go. Check them out. They got a booklet, and these are, y'all already know what these is, man. It's old, but anyways, man, let's get straight to it. We have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2. These are no other than the zebra joints, man. Yes, they're zebras. These are the zebra joints, man. Let me get this other shoe out this box, man. I hate that noise that the Adidas boxes always make. And oh yeah, these is dope. Ba-da-ba-ba. Oh shit. Okay, usually I'm so used to doing everything on the right shoe, but it looks like the right shoe has the tag on it. So instead of doing it on the right shoe, we will be doing a review on the left shoe. So let me get out that full 360 look of the shoe all the way around, even though y'all probably already seen like a million of these by now on this restock. Oh shit. For this restock, y'all probably seen a million of these already, but I ain't seen one from the kids. So I'm going to give y'all this And yes, man, so glad I caught this. I knew it was gonna be an easy cop. I was telling a bunch of my bros, like, they asked me, like, bro, you think it's gonna be easy? Hell yeah, bro. Don't jump the gun. Chill, relax, put your raffles in. You're gonna hit something. Everybody that I told that hit everything. Like me and one of my bros, his name Chaz, we was hitting like literally the same stores. Both of us hit Finish Line, both of us hit Woodfield Mall, and I hit these because he ain't know nothing about the UK raffles. I was telling him you gotta get online, bro. Now I put him on sold links and stuff, so I don't know if he gonna use it or not. But anyways, man, let's get into this review. And of course, I didn't have the OG one, so everybody was saying the bottom of these are different. I seen some reviews on the OG ones, and they were saying the bottom of them is different. So I don't know. We're gonna start with that toe box, and of course, you have that big, thick stitching going all the way down on the shoe, and you have the zebra stripes. You have the zebra stripes going down. This side of the shoe, of course, you just have the plain zebra stripes going all the way across. Standard lace system. On this side, you have the St. Pablo Loves You -350 on this side with the big space in between. The back of it, just like the front, you have that real big thick stitching right here. The pull tab, so you can, I guess, so you can get your feet in, because these joints do get tight. If you don't go that half to a full size up like you need to, these will get tight. And they say this right here, like this little piece, like if you know any like the OGs or like the original V2s, this little part right here is always different. But they say the whole bottom was different. And this one, of course, has like a clear milky outsole on here. Inside of them joints, Yeezy, Adidas. Of course, you have that hidden little 3 stripe right there on the back of the heel. Little soft little cushioning right there. And on the bottom, you have that boost. And the whole shoe goes all the way up. And man, like honestly, I really thought these got lost in the mail. Like I swear, I was checking. I'm like, man, where the fuck is my shoes at, man? They should have been here. Like seriously, cause like overseas, I bought these like a week before they came out in US. So I'm like, by the time they come out in US in stores, my package should be here. And like for real, seriously, I was like, I know FedEx ain't do it to me again. I thought they did, man. But went back, double checked. They came, missed the delivery, and they placed them at Walmart. I mean, not Walmart, but Walgreens. So there y'all go, man. This is my restock Yeezy cop right here. So really, there's no point of buying or trying to look for the original the original Zebras on StockX, because you're gonna get a whole bunch of these restock pairs. Basically, so if you want the original ones with the different sole or whatever, so people be like, oh, I got the original drop, you got the restock. It really don't matter, bro. It really don't matter, honestly. So don't go on StockX trying to look for the original pair. You better off going on GOAT, where you can see pictures and all of that. But you got your Zebras, bro. Rock them. They a dope shoe. And that's it, man. That's it for the video, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a, I'm gonna drop the damn shoe video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And let me know, man, let me know if I should start recording further back here, or y'all like the up close and personal with the table right there, or should I stand up and record? You know, man, just give me some feedback, man. Comment that down below in the comment section. Oh, I didn't even see that because the outsole is so milky. You got a little Adidas print right there. You can barely even see it though. You gotta really be looking at the shoe, and of course it's just blending straight in. But yeah, man, like I was saying, comment down below, man, what y'all like, man. Y'all like the table up front with me giving y'all a real up close look at it? Y'all like me further back? Do y'all want me to stand up? Do y'all want me to just keep switching it up every once in a while? You know, comment that down below. Hey, don't forget, hit that sub button to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.